Thank you for buying this 10176 sign holder picture frame from Fixture Displays. This sign holder comes in 3 parts. You have the acrylic clear sign holder portion and a silicone seal and a wood base. To install, you want to first put in the graphics. That is 8.5 by 11. And then install the rubber seal toward the bottom. Now take your time, make sure that it's straight and clean. Then pick a slot to pressure fit. You see, this slot is angled, leans back, and the other slot is straight. Depending on your circumstance, how high you are displaying this unit and particular setting, you can choose the lean back angled version slot or choose the straight up slot on the other side. Dimensions of this unit: left and right 8.5 inches, front to back 2.5 inches. Overall height is 12.2 inches. And the graphics left and right is 8.5, top to bottom is 11 inches. We now put down a spinner to give you a better view. We encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. In addition to this version, we also have a straight up, triangle based version and different sizes, such as 4x6, 5x7, and so on. If you have any questions or have a customization requirement, feel free to email us cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. To like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. And feel free to share this link with your family and friends and co-workers, as well as share that in your social media network. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.